Ciao, sono Anna e questo è My Italian Circle. Are you thinking of learning Italian, or are you looking for resources to improve your current level? In this short video, I will tell you where to look. If you are here, you obviously know our YouTube channel. Maybe you are a subscriber and you watched many of our videos before. If you are new, instead, have a look at our channel page as soon as you're done here. There are literally hundreds of videos to choose from. And of course, subscribe! We are not just a YouTube channel though, and this is what I want to tell you about today. I want to show you how to find our content more easily and how to find what's best for you based on your goals and your current level. We have playlists here on YouTube, but they are not always easy to find and navigate. So we put links to most of our video lessons on our website as well. And we tried to organize them in the most straightforward way possible. This is our homepage. The design might change in the future, but this is basically what it looks like. If you are interested in language learning, this is the section you want to click on, Learn Italian. There is also a section on culture topics. So, if you are also interested in Italian art, opera, literature, history or cinema, well, have a look. There are quick reference guides on all of these topics. But back to language. We have 4 main topics in the Learn Italian section, which reflect what we do here on YouTube. We have speaking practice, grammar lessons, listening practice, and our series Learn Italian with the News. As you probably know, learning Italian requires a fair bit of grammar study as well. So, let's open the Italian grammar section on our website. What do we find? There are over 50 video lessons on various grammar topics from elementary to upper intermediate. On this page, you can easily find the topic you are looking for, be it a lesson on specific verb tense or a lesson on pronouns or prepositions, for example. There are also videos of exercises, so you can practice your grammar with me. Here we added the level of each video from A1 to B2. At the C1 and C2 level, you usually review and delve deeper, but the topics are still the same. So, you can watch the grammar lessons you want by clicking the links on this page. And if you are one of our patrons on Patreon, there are also links to premium content, the video transcript and an additional PDF with more exercises. Sometimes the video transcript is free for all. It's very useful to review a specific topic. So, this was the grammar section. Let's have a quick look at the other pages. In the Speak Italian section, you can find our speaking practice, very useful if speaking is your weak spot, and also lessons on vocabulary, which cover a lot of useful expressions, and our videos on pronunciation. Our listening practice section is the most popular one. We have literally hours of dialogues and texts to listen to, from simple sentences for total beginners to more advanced conversations. There are also many intermediate videos on cultural topics, where I discuss a variety of interesting subjects, all in Italian. Finally, Learn Italian with the News. There is a series for beginners, mainly in English, and more advanced videos, all in Italian. They are all very helpful to learn and understand the language of the news and formal Italian in general. Last but not least, the additional content that we publish every week on Patreon to complement our YouTube videos is also listed on a specific page, Premium Content. Here, our patrons can find what's new every week, links to our A1 and A2 Italian courses, as well as links to all the advanced content that we create for our top-tier patrons once a month. If you're serious about learning Italian, well, have a look. Finally, on our website you can find our email address and links to all our social media accounts. So get in touch if you need advice or have suggestions of any kind, or just to say hi. So, I hope to see you again soon here on this channel and on our website. Ci vediamo presto, ciao!